Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have APECoin daily update. We are going to see many things today. And before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to the white paper of APECoin. They have the side, on their side they have a white paper as well, but here I found this detail, the allocation detail that made me invest in APECoin. Okay, and what I mean by that is, and I'm going to explain every single detail, do not worry. We are going to this paragraph right here. The total supply of APECoin is permanently fixed at 1 billion tokens. No mining capability is exposed through the contract interface, thus the total supply will never increase. Similarly, the contract interface does not expose any token burning capability, so the total supply will never decrease. What does this mean for the traders right there? What does this mean for us? What does this mean for the investors, right? We need to see it clearly with the economical value and perspective of the APECoin, right? So eventually, what we are going to do is we are going to APE against USDT chart. We are going to see the most important thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to the blank point right here, and I'm going to show you with the X and the Y, the Y and the X actually diagram right here. Okay, this is the Y, this is the X, and this is the supply, right? This is the supply line, and the demand looks like a little bit actually like this one right here. Okay, this is the demand. All right, so therefore what do we have is that while we have an increase in the demand, okay, this is the price, right? This is the price, and this is the quantity. When we have an increase in the demand, we have this diagram. This is the D2, right? Demand 2. Okay, and therefore the price increases, right? When you have a standard supply and you have an increase in the demand, the price increases as well. So eventually, this is why we want to invest in these kind of altcoins. We want to see the white paper of the altcoins. So let's go back into the price action, because nothing goes up forever, right? We have to see the targets. So what I did is I have drawn actually the trend-based Fibonacci extension from the bottom to the top and back to the bottom. Right here, what do we have is we are sitting at a 16.56 to 16.7, very huge resistance level right here, around this area that we are in right now. Okay, and if we can manage to pull it off and close above, we can go even higher. But first, let's see the APECoin against Bitcoin chart. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do the exactly same thing. I'm going to draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension from the bottom back on 20 March to the top back on 24 and back to the bottom on 6 April. You can see the two bottoms and the one top. We fell down from the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement after we retested it, and then we exploded and we went all the way up to the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. And what we need to do right now is to close above this line, because if we close above this line, we have huge chances to go even higher. But if we do not make it, then we are going to go even further down, right? And eventually to the next support levels, possibly retesting the one trend-based Fibonacci extension level. So right here, this is what we should be careful at, because right now we have a very high risk. Okay, we should not ignore the fact that we have the RSI above the 80 and we have many other risk metrics, but here we are going mostly with the price analysis, and we are keeping in mind that the increase in the demand for APECoin will increase the price, and therefore if the APECoin stands as a successful coin, then the price will get even higher. But nothing goes up forever, right? So we have to be extremely careful. We need to break above, else we are going back to 0.303481. Probably this is a very likely scenario if we do not close above this line. back, because if we close, then we can go to the next target. Let's go back to APECoin against USDT. This, in terms of USDT, will be the closing above condition right here, where we have the 16.7 to 16.56. On the 4-hour frame, if we go here, we have a crazy high risk as well. You can check it out, you can see it out. All right, so therefore, yes, we have a high risk. However, we can go even higher by closing above these two lines right there, drawing the trend-based fib from the bottom to the top and back to the bottom. We close above and we go to 20 USDT again. Very good stuff right there for APECoin, and we could manage to pull it off, but eventually we have to do it like this right here, okay? Because if we do not close above, then we are going to go probably further down into the 15 USDT again, right? So therefore, this will be the target right here if we do not get past above these targets. Sounds clear? I think so, right? If we have the exact price targets, what the price needs to do in the 4-hour frame mainly. If it is on the daily frame, it is even better. We minimize more the risk, and therefore, if we do not, we are going probably to 15.2. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/mindyourcrypto. You will get easy profits, and of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.